Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Virtue, and yes, this is Glory this channel. This video, you don't need a prompt, right? You don't need a prompt to get this one done. ChatGPT will be doing the job for you. We're using ChatGPT, Gemini, Flow to be specific, and then we're using CapCut to merge them together. I'll be showing you a screen record on my phone, right, where I explain in details how you can get this done. Let's get right into the video. We're going to be using ChatGPT, Gemini, and CapCut. Remember I said you don't need a prompt for this one. Chat will be doing the work, right? You come down here to chat. When you open your app, this is what it looks like, right? This is how it looks. This is what chat will look like when you open it the first time. Now you're going to click on this double line showing up here, close to upgrade. Mine is not a paid version. So you click on this, and then you have apps, right? You click on apps, and while it's still loading, you click on GPTs, right? Then it opens up like this. Now, when you are here on the search bar, right, you're going to click talking objects. You send, and then you allow it to open up, right? So you have, it's going to give you a lot of suggestions. You just go ahead and pick one and use. All right, so since I started creating, I have been sticking with this one that has 200k plus, right? 200k plus uses. I'm going to use down. I'm going to go ahead and click on this very first one, 200k plus, right? Allow it to open, and then yeah, we are here. You will click on start chat to continue. So what you need to do next is just to type in the objects that you want, or the main word from of the object you want to create. So let me say hair growth products, hair growth ingredients, natural hair growth ingredients, natural hair growth um, ingredients, right? So I'll click on send. And like I already informed you, it's just going to give you the prompts. You're not cracking your head to get a prompt, right? It's going to give you a prompt. All you need to do now is to copy this particular prompt and script and go and create. That is all you need to do. All right, then when it does that, it's going to give you 4 related object character, right? The very first one it gave me here is castor oil bottle. It gave me aloe vera plant. It gave me coconut oil. It gave me rosemary. It gave me shea butter, right? This is going to make it 5, right? So I can use this to create a 5 image short form content, right? If you want to do more, you go ahead and still prompt it again, ask a different question. It's going to give you what you want. So now let me start with the very first one. This one, I'm going to copy it down to the 10-second script. I'll click on copy. Then I'll go to my Chrome browser, right? I'll come here my Chrome browser, and I'm going to type in Google DeepMind. All right, so when it opens up like this, I'll go for this second one, right? I'll go for this second one, and I'm going to allow it to open up. When it opens up like this, I'm going to scroll through to the end, right? I'll scroll to the right hand side, or just left hand side. I'll scroll there, and then I'll click where you have Veo 3.1. Veo 3.1, you click on learn more. Yeah, allow this to open, give it some time to open up. When you click on Veo 3.1, it likes to open up. Then it's going to open up like this. Then down here you will see try in Gemini and then flow. So we're going to click on try in flow and allow it some time to still open up, right? Okay, so now we are here. You click on create with flow, and so we are here now. The next thing you're going to do is click on new project. New project. Allow this to still load up, right? New project. I have done some projects in the past, and those are the ones that you can see down here. So, but I want to create a new project, so I'll click on new project, and then I'll allow it to open up. Okay, so we are here now, right? This is where you want to be. We're here. The prompts you copied, right? The prompts you copied, the one you copied on ChatGPT, we're now going to go ahead and paste it there. Now, if you intend to add more, what's it called? More prompts to this, like the script. I penetrate hair strands, not just put them, less protein loss, less breakage, just how length survives. If you want to include more, you can. You can include something more in the script, right? It's up to you. But I'm going to be using this like this. So I'll go ahead and click on send, and then I'll allow it to generate the image. When it's done, the next thing is to go ahead and download it. Then you create for the remaining what's it called, for the remaining prompts that you were given, you go ahead and just copy and repeat the same process. All right, so we're done generating our prompts. This is what it looks like. So all you need to do now is to click on download original size. This is it. So remember, if you want to do this for as a long form content, you need to create more what's it called, more things, right? You need to change the prompts again, change the scripts, and just create more. And when you are creating, you also remember that you have to come down here, right here, where you have this aspect ratio showing times one. You click on this, you click on this sign that is beside the times one, right? It's going to give you this option, and then you click on portraits and change it to landscape. When you do that, it's going to generate the image in landscape format. That's the one you need for you to be able to create on for a long form content. This is all you need to know. Like I said, go ahead and create the remaining prompts. Go ahead and create the remaining prompts and save the images. Now, when you are done saving all the images, right? When we're done creating all the images and saving them and downloading them, the next thing we're going to do now is to head over to CapCut in order for us to merge them together. The next thing to do now is to come here on CapCut, right? Whether the paid version or the free version, anyone you have reserved. Click on new videos, and then you go ahead and click on the videos you downloaded. This one, this, and this. I think I'm here to download the last video. So you click on add, right? This will be five. Click on add and just allow it. You don't even need to even do any major editing, right? Just go ahead and allow it, and you have your short form content ready. This is it. Let's hear how it sounds.
I don't make hair grow overnight. I strengthen roots, seal moisture, and stop breakage. Growth happens when you stop snapping what you already have.
I soothe itchy scalps and unclog follicles. Healthy scalp, steady growth. Ignore me and stay irritated.
I penetrate hair strands, not just coat them. Less protein loss, less breakage. That's how length survives. I boost scalp circulation
All right,
naturally.
so as you
More
can
blood.
see, down here you have the what's it called? The Veo 3, and the logo showing that. If you don't want that, you can actually do something to cover it. But if you're okay with it showing like that, you can just leave it like that. So what I did to cover up the Veo 3 that is showing, I used this. I went to, let me show you from the beginning. I came here on text, right? Click on text, click on stickers. Then you're going to scroll through. I will go on to look for a free if a free sticker that I can use. Let me use this one that I subscribe,
I don't make
right?
hair grow
So
overnight.
I'm just going to go ahead and drag it down to where I have that Bio logo showing, because I do not want it to to be visible. I'll go ahead and click on it, then I'll drag the image to the end. So all the other clips also have this subscribe logo showing there, right? And then this is ready for me to export. Next thing that I will recommend that you do is to go ahead and what's it called, generate the caption, right? So you click here where you have captions, and then you go to click on auto generate, right? Click on auto generate. When you're done, you just go ahead and click on export, and you're good to go. Now we've come to the end of the tutorial. I'm really hoping that you found value. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up on the video, and yes, leave a comment. If you have any question, you have any other topic you want me to talk about, you have anything that you want to be clarified about, go ahead and leave a comment. And yes, if you're a new beginner, you do not know how to start or where to start from, oh, relax. I have something for you. This playlist up here is going to help serve as a guide, right, on how to begin on YouTube. And if you're already on YouTube and you're still trying to find your footing, you have questions about other things, this one playing down here should be the one you should guide and click on. Click on the playlist to binge watch on the videos I've played in the past. You'll be able to find help. Bye.